Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to write blog posts using Jasper AI. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to simply write posts using Jasper AI, all you gotta do is simply go to Jasper AI. Once you're in your Jasper AI, you need to simply get logged in into your account. Once you have logged in, you need to now choose the best Jasper plan. You need to get a subscribed version of Jasper if you want to write blog posts using Jasper. So once you have got the plan, you can open the one-shot blog post template. Now you can input the details about the blog post and generate a Jasper output. You can now edit the blog post and proofread and optimize your content with Jasper integrations. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.